Hi, my name is Amy Gardner and I'm here at Syngenta Flowers to tell you about our new seed series, Endurance Marigold. Endurance is available in these three beautiful colors, orange, yellow, and my personal favorite, Sunset Gold. Sunset Gold is a beautiful bicolor. Endurance is wonderful for a number of reasons, most especially because the flowers are huge. It's almost an African marigold size flower, but it adorns a French marigold size habit. The branching is really nice and it holds together all season long. Another great attribute is that this plant does not set seed. That means it's going to continue blooming over and over and over all through the summer. Endurance does something that we call burying the dead, which is it blooms all over the canopy and then it sends up a second flush of flowers over the first flush and continues doing that over and over, so it constantly has a look of abundance and thriving in the garden. This is a wonderful garden performer and will be the last marigold blooming at the end of summer with incredible heat tolerance.